the challenge is go find out how much it is for 4 front windows. There's a lot of websites out there. I hope I don't get in trouble for saying this. There's Angie's List, there's Thumbtack, there's, all these places. I didn't need them. Remodelmate sped up the process. It would take at least 2 weeks, 3 weeks to go from the lead came in to me being able to start a job. Now with Remodelmate, in reality, I get an email, I can scroll through, this is the scope of work, it has a price listed, it's already sold, it's already my job, all the materials will be there. I mean, it sounds too good to be true, but it really does work that way, so it really makes it a little bit easier for me to just play my role of contractor and allow them to be the customer service salesperson. I would recommend Remodelmate to other contractors, and I already have. The first time I'm meeting the customer, it's carrying some lumber in and some screws and taking their materials and making their new bathroom or their new kitchen happen.